This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing KTM Connect and signing in with your KTM ID so settings sync across devices. This step saves time later. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location because the app needs them to find your bike and accessories. Make sure to pair the helmet or module immediately. Pairing confirms firmware compatibility. Grant the app permissions for notifications, contacts, and microphone so voice and alerts work seamlessly. These prerequisites let you proceed without interruptions and avoid. You will now pair devices and configure profiles so the app behaves predictably on the road. Start by tapping devices, then add device, enter or confirm the pairing code shown on the module, and wait for a successful connection tone. This verifies secure BLE handshake. Next, calibrate bike settings like tire pressure thresholds, service intervals, and geofence radius because accurate values prevent false alerts. Finally, customize alerts for calls, maintenance, and theft notifications so you receive only what matters while riding. You finish by using Live View to monitor telemetry and by syncing ride logs after every trip to keep records current. Make a habit of checking device settings for firmware updates because updates fix bugs and add features. Install them over Wi-Fi. If the app fails to connect, try a quick reboot of your phone, toggle Bluetooth, and repair the device. This sequence resolves most BLE issues. If problems persist, clear the app cache and re-log in to reset corrupted settings before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.